What is Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associate is an affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon Associates, advertiser product from Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When customers click the links and buy a product from Amazon, they earn referral fee. So free e-commerce planning kit is here. What is in this video I will tell you what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a tactic where an online retailer give niche website owners the ability to create unique product links. The website owners must promote the link. In exchange, when someone visits the link and make a purchase, the website owner automatically receive commission. As an affiliate, you only make money once the link is used in a transaction. Affiliate marketing is right for you if you already own a website or blog and you content offer opportunities for product mention. For instance, if you own a recipe blog, you can create link for product ingredients. It's not the best fit for you if you sell product directly on your website. Although you can use a mixture of product selling and to earn money. How does Amazon affiliate program work? In Amazon affiliate program, associate earn commission by creating unique product links, promoting the links on their website, and driver referral traffic back to Amazon. Here's how it works. Amazon website on create an Amazon affiliate account on the platform. Amazon give each website owner on a unique associate ID. Once the application has been approved, associates can begin creating affiliate links in the Amazon portal. Associate then place the link in blog, post or other parts of their website. Once someone clicks the link and makes a purchase, the associate earns commission. You can earn on average from $10 to $20 from the Amazon affiliate program depending on how much referral you generate for Amazon. The affiliate program operates on a commission basis, meaning you will make a percentage per sale. The commission rate differs depending on the product category. For instance, if you run a automotive blog, you can earn 4.50% from each sale. If you sell their 3 car parts at $1,000 each, in one day you had made $135 from these three transactions. If you sell the same product 30 times per month, you had make $13.50 every month. In the beginning of your Amazon associate journey, the numbers can skew on the low side, so be sure to have another form of income in addition to being an Amazon associate. Before signing up on the platform, it's important to review the Amazon affiliate program commission rate per product category. That way you can calculate how much you can potentially earn depending on your website. Amazon affiliate program rules and requirements. Being an Amazon associate is a great way to monetize passion projects or make supplemental income for your brand. However, Amazon has guidelines for associate to follow, so it's best to understand those before you dive in. Non-compliance may result in being banned from the program. The majority of rules are in place for ethical promotion as well as preventing associates from gaming system. Here are the some of big ones to keep in mind.